everyone. So, before starting the session, I would like to ask you a few questions. Which app will you use to watch the videos? Definitely, it's YouTube. And if I ask you which app will you use for shopping, you have many options: Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra. So, today we are going to create an app which we are using in our everyday life for big calculations. Yes, you guess it right, it's a calculator app. So, let's understand how we can create it. To create an app, we can use code.org, which is an open and free platform for all. Open the browser and type code.org. Now, you need to sign up or sign in on this account. So, you go to sign in. Either you can create an account or you can continue with the Google account. Select the Google account and continue. Now, go to create and select the app lab to create any app. This is the interface of App Lab. Here you see the mobile screen. Here we have the toolbox and workspace. An app is divided into two parts, front end and back end. Front end, which is the design of the app that we see in our mobile, and back end is a working of app which can be done by coding or programming. So first we design the app. Click on the design tab. You see a different toolbox which has buttons, labels, and properties of each element. First, I take a label on the screen, drag and drop it. You see the properties of label 1. Now, in text, you can type first number. I change the property of this element by font size, like you can increase the font size so it will be visible on the screen. Now, I take one text input on the screen. Text input is used to take input from the user. To check the text input, click on Run and user will be able to type numbers inside this text box. Add one button on the screen which will perform mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. I will change the text of this button with plus sign, and I can change the width, or you can type just number 50, and height also you can change 50. You can change the color of this button. You can change the font size so that it will be visible. Change the ID of each button so that it will be helpful while coding for the buttons. For example, for addition button, type button underscore add. We have completed the front end of the app, which is the design of the app. Now, let's do the back end, which is the coding of the app. Click on the code. Now, take the block on event on the workspace. So, when you click on the addition button, it must add both the numbers from input box and give the result in this label. Now, select the ID button add. Now, select the block set number where you will set the answer. Select the ID, label answer. Now you go to the math and take the plus operator, addition operator, and put it in the another box. Now you have to get the number from the input box. So get number in the first box and select the ID from input box 1, text input 1. Again, you will get the number from text input 2. Select the ID text input 2. Now, you get the number from text input 1, then text input 2. It will add both the numbers and set the answer in label answer. Let's check the working of add button. Click on run, enter the first number, enter the second number. Now click on add button. It's working perfectly. I have done the same for other buttons also On event, when you click on subtract button, it will subtract both the inputs and give the result in label answer. Same we are doing for multiplication and division. Now let's check the working of all the buttons. Click on run, enter the first number, enter second number, click on add, it's correct. Click on subtract, this is also correct. Multiplication and now division. So you can see all the buttons are working perfectly. Save your app, click on rename and write calculator app, click on save. Also, you can share this app with your friends and family. Click on send to phone and ask them to scan this QR code to use this app on their phone. You can copy the link and paste it in the browser and you will see your app. So, tell me in the comment box, how are you feeling to create your first calculator app? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.